Hello everyone, I hope that you're all doing well, enjoying the week so far. I wanted to make this video to talk about our midterms. So if you go to content and you look at the important due dates, excuse me, we are under module 3 and it says midterm oral exams via Zoom to make an appointment with your instructor October 15th through the 19th. So that will be next week. You guys will be making appointments with me through the Google Calendar. And that way we can make an appointment for to meet through Zoom, you and your partner. And then let's go ahead and check out the instructions. And I'll also paste these up for you guys as well. Let's go to the syllabus. Okay, so this is worth 15% of your grade. Each is worth 7.5%. The oral exams will be a dialogue between you and your partner. Your instructor will provide a study guide that consists of VHL dialogue topics you have completed thus far in the course, and I'm going to attach that with this video. On the day of the oral exam, your instructor will assign your group one of the topics. The oral exam will be held via Zoom on the day and time that you schedule with your professor. This is important. Webcam and mirror are required. You have to do it through a webcam and you have to have a mirror available to show your screen, the sides of your screen. You should be able to show your instructor your screen at the time of your meeting. Your oral exam should be the same length as that required of your oral partner dialogues, which is 4 minutes. Okay, so basically all of the oral dialogues that we have had so far, for example, Conócete a ti mismo, or down here, Informe, those would all be options that you guys would have on the dialogues, and including next week's as well, Extraterrestre and Historia. So those would all be options. We're going to have them starting the 14th to the 20th. I'll have times available and I'll show you how to make an appointment with me. So please make sure that you guys are noticing that this is the last week that we will have any type of VHL activities or partner dialogues before the midterms. Following the midterms, there's a break, so you won't have any VHL activities or dialogues due. Then you will continue to have them the following week on the 28th, of October. Okay, and if we keep going down, you'll see that you have them for the following 3 weeks, and then we don't have them for the week after Thanksgiving, and then you'll have one more in December. Okay, so just to see when you guys do and don't have the VHL dialogues and the VHL activities. Good. So how to make a appointment is you'll go to this is my University of Arizona account. I'll click here to calendar. I'm going to go to next week, and I've already set up these appointments for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a link that sends you guys to this page so that you can set up a time to meet. So for example, it'll say this calendar's appointment page. I'll go to next week, and then here's all the appointment times that I have. So they are in 10-minute intervals. Make sure that your calendar is in Mountain Standard Time, which is in Arizona time, because that's what my calendar is in. So if you're in a different state or a different time zone, whatever it may be, just make sure that you guys are changing it to the time zone that we are in Arizona. You can do that here through the settings. Okay, so what you'll do is you will click on an appointment time. So they're in 10-minute intervals, like I said. So let's say I wanted to meet Sunday, October 14th from 9 to 9:10. Okay, and then you can erase my name. And what you guys will do is add your name and your partner's name, because it's a conversation. I'm going to be listening to a conversation between the both of you. Okay, so put somewhere in here your name and your partner's name. you and your partner will both have to agree on this. Okay, so on this time, and then it'll come up here. Who do I have the appointment with? And it'll tell you here, this is the appointment person. This is the appointment. This is the person who you have the appointment with. Okay. So I have them from 9 to 2 on Sunday and Saturday, and 7 to 9 in the evening, the 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th. Those are all my available slots. So that's when I'm available to meet with you guys. And it should only take us about 10 minutes, but you guys do have to be on time. The partner dialogue itself is only 4 minutes, and then I'll have also time to answer questions before or after. Okay, so that is how we do the midterm. For the compositions, I did want to let you guys know I am in the process of grading them right now. Because it's submitted as a quiz, it automatically gives you a 0. So don't worry if you got a 0 right now, because it's just because it automatically gave you a 0 because the computer can't grade it. I have to manually go in and grade those. So I am still in the process of doing that. And remember, you guys will have, let's see, the due date. Okay, so you guys turn them in on Sunday. I will get them back to you by the 14th, and then you guys will have until the 21st to submit your final draft through assignments. Okay, composition 1, final draft is available here. This is where you'll turn it in. Make sure that you are following all of the guidelines set, such as using 12-point font, double spaced, make sure your name is on it, all those good things, and that you are highlighting the differences. That's the key point, is that you have to be highlighting the differences between your first draft and then your final draft. So if you guys do have any questions about any of that, please let me know.